This video is going to show how to bring characters into Scratch that aren't preloaded in the game. Now I don't need this cat, so I'm going to delete it. Let's say I want to bring in an Aaron Rodgers character for my game. I've done a Google search, and here's what comes up with Aaron Rodgers. Now there's a bunch of different options. I can choose an Aaron Rodgers that looks like a photograph like this, or I can choose one with a white background. If you can find an image with a white background like this one, you're much better off doing it that way, but I'll show you both. So I'm going to click on it, and then I can right click, save image as, and just save this into your H drive. I'm going to put mine on the desktop for the video. Put it in your H drive. Now back in Scratch, click on this folder button, and you can grab that picture and open it up. Now if we look at this picture, this is the one with the white background. See how it follows the contour of Aaron Rodgers here with no mess behind it? I'll bring in another picture of Aaron and show you the difference. So now if I go back and save another picture of Aaron Rodgers, say like this one here, pretty similar. Save image as, desktop again, Aaron 2, back to Scratch. Now if we look at this one, see it has all this background behind it? It's fine, but it means you have to do some more work. So I'm going to click on this Costumes, and now it brings up this Paint Editor. Now you have to come by with the eraser and erase everything you don't want. It's very tedious to do a good job on this. You should zoom in some more. Oops, see, I erased too much. Undo. So I erase all this stuff here, and then I'll zoom in to try and get close to the image to get the rest. I'll make my cursor smaller, and same thing. So you can do it this way if you want, but it's way more time consuming with a photograph image like this. The other way, or the other type of picture you can bring in would be like a cartoon or a clip art image. Say here, like these different footballs. Again, you're going to want to try and find one with a nice white background. If you can't find one with a white background, you're going to want to find one with a solid color background. For instance, this football here just has the green spot beneath it, and this would be an example of a clip art that's good to use. So same thing, save image as, I'll put this on my desktop, and then back into Scratch now, I can open up that picture. But this time, when I do my image editing here, I don't have to go around erasing. I can use the paint bucket and click this red line. That's the invisible color. I can click the green. I can click the white around it. And then if there is any of this little bit of green left, that won't be so bad to come back with the eraser and just clean that up. So your best bet is trying to find an image that has a white background. If you can't do that, try and find one with a solid color background, like a clip art image or a cartoon type image. Try and avoid the photographs as much as possible because they take a lot of time to image edit.